the disturbance. So there is one more video that I am going to make. Now let me say that there exist two matrices, say B and C. Now first let us consider that the matrix B. First let us consider that the matrix B is the inverse of the matrix A. Then the result will be A into B is equals to B into A is equal to I. You can call this as result number 1. Then let me also consider that the matrix C is also the inverse of the matrix A. Then according to the definition, A into C is equal to C into A is equal to I. You call it as result number 2. Now let us consider the matrix B. B is equals to what? B into I. If you multiply any square matrix with the unit matrix, you get the square matrix itself. Now let me consider I is equals to C into A. B C A. This will be equal to B into C into A, which is equals to, or what I will do is I will consider A into C. Let me consider B is equals to B into I, which is equals to B into AC, which will be equal to BA into C, which will be BA is what? I into C, which is equals to C. So here what we get is the matrix B is nothing but the matrix C. So by taking that there exist two inverses for a matrix A, we have proved that B is equals to C. You can see this video once again for your reference. Now the next one is, if A and B are any two invertible matrices of the same order, they are two invertible, that is the inverse of those matrices exists, then AB, the multiplication inverse of this will be equal to B inverse into A inverse, but not A inverse into B inverse. This is what we are going to prove it. Now let me consider by the definition AB matrix. It is also a matrix. The inverse of this matrix is AB inverse. This will be equal to I. This will be equal to I. Then what you can do is you take A inverse from both the sides. So A inverse AB inverse is one matrix is equals to A inverse into I. Then according to the definition, A inverse into A into B into AB inverse will be A inverse. Then A inverse into A is I into B into AB inverse is equals to A inverse. So this will be B into AB inverse is equals to A inverse. It will be equal to A inverse. Now take B inverse from both the sides. B inverse into B into AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. So I into AB inverse will be equal to B inverse into A inverse, or that will be AB inverse will be equal to B inverse into A inverse. This is how we prove that if A and B are any two invertible matrices, then AB inverse will be equal to B inverse into A inverse. So this is AB into AB inverse. This is from the definition. AB, you have multiplied those matrices and you have considered that this is one matrix. So AB into AB inverse. This is by the definition. This happens to be by the definition. Then A inverse into A into B into AB inverse will be equal to A inverse into I. Then A inverse into A into B will be equal to AB raised to minus 1, which is equals to A inverse. Then that is, now this is by Which law? By associative law for matrix multiplication. Then this will be A inverse into A, and A inverse into A is I. Then I into B is B. Then you take B inverse from both the sides. So then the end result that you will be getting is A B inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. So in the next class, we will be seeing how to find the inverse by making use of elementary transformations. And what are those elementary transformations? Thank you.